Let's say you gave B skill and DCA Java, okay, and you are not able to clear the exam. But let's say you have some option of articulation, process, and different tech tracks. So in that case, you will be having more option. You may clear that exam, okay. Hi guys, only 3 days left for closing of registration survey for Elevate Wings 1 November cycle. Also, course completion date for this November cycle has already ended on 10th of November. But guys, let's suppose you have not mentioned in registration survey process or articulation, or you have not completed any tracks of base skill. So in that case, you are not required to worry. I request everybody to please watch this video full, okay. I know that most of you have already registered for base skill and any one DCA, okay. So guys, today I am going to request all of you that please register process and articulation also, because it will give you a high chance of giving more exam. You can also register some tech tracks like T1, T2, T3, okay. I'm saying this because it will give you a high chance of clearing the exam. So let me tell you the process through which still you can increase your chance of registration in registration survey, okay. So guys, what you have to do is, guys, no need to complete any tracks now. You just need to declare these tracks in your iVolve competency. I will give you different course IDs which you can register in your iVolve Ultimatics, okay. Please wait for 2 minutes, okay. After declaring these competencies in iVolve, what you have to do is, you have to go to the registration survey and you have to register these courses in that survey, okay. Then you will become eligible. So let me show you the course IDs, okay. So if you look at the course IDs, then here the course ID for B skill track 1. Let's suppose somebody have not completed the B skill track 1 course on Ultimatics. So what he can do, he can go to the Ultimatics, okay, go to the iVolve, and inside that he can declare competencies for these 3 course IDs. For B skill 2, he can declare competencies for these 3 course IDs, okay. For process, he can declare competencies for these 2 course IDs, and for articulation for these 3 course IDs. So if you declare these 3 course IDs and then you go to the registration survey and mark these courses in that, then you become eligible without doing any course, okay. So for T1, you have to mark competency ID as 5411 5630 5415 in E0 E1 E0, okay, on iVolve, okay. For similarly for track 2, you can note this competency and mark them. Similarly for track 3, then for track 4, then 5, then 7, okay. After noting down these competency IDs, please go to the iVolve, mark these competencies, and then go to the registration survey, mark these courses over there also, and without giving a single exam, you will become eligible for final exam that is going to be held in December, okay.